just hate it that you can't let go of your lawnmower without it dying. I can't stand it. This is the stick. I also hate how they putt-putt. This is a cheap $100 lawnmower from Walmart. It gets after it with a few modifications.